In this video, you will see the current available SMF sensors, required accessories, and an example adapter setup. We will also cover how to assemble all of these different components. So let's get started. On our website, navigate to any of the SMF datasheets and click on the Learn More button. Next, click on Select Products. Under Flowmeters, select the ideal sensor for your application. In this example, let's use the 3-inch SMF 621. Under Sealing Rings, you need to select a matching line size and determine the O-ring material that is best for use with your media in the line. We're using the E40565. Next, select a process adapter to match the application. In our example, we'll choose the E40615. Additional accessories are also available. Please note that all adapters come with multiple M8 by 1.25 screws that are 25 millimeters in length. Here you see the E40615. When you begin the installation process, the etching should be face up when you are mounting it to the SMF. That allows the weep port, in case of damage to the O-ring, to leak down so that you know there's an issue. Here you see the matching O-ring, the E40565. The O-ring, when it is mounted properly, will seat perfectly. When it is not mounted properly, or if it's put in backwards, you'll see that the ring does not neatly fit. If it's backwards, it'll drop right out. If you put the O-ring in with the lip correctly placed, it will seal and drop right down into the fitting. If installed properly, you'll see that it's nice and snug inside of the adapter, and it's actually pretty hard to get out. Once you have this done, insert the other O-ring into the second adapter. Place both of them on the sides of the SMF. Using the M8 by 1.25 screws, which come with the adapters, follow the instructions and torque specs listed in the SMF manual. Once these steps have been properly followed, the sensor is ready to install in your application. Please refer to the SMF manual for more detailed information. It contains further specifications on the use of clamp and welding adapters. As always, you can check out our website for helpful information on any of our products, or contact us at info.us@ifm.com or call into 1-800-441-8246 to speak with somebody who can assist you. Thank you for your time and have a great day.